If you're looking for help fixing your GE water heater, look no further. Our comprehensive GE Water Heater Troubleshooting Guide will explain common issues, provide tips, and show you how to read your model's error codes. No hot water or not enough hot water. Step 1. Ensure that the water heater's power supply gas or electricity is on. If troubleshooting a gas water heater, make sure that the gas is on. Then relight the pilot flame with a barbecue lighter at the base of the water heater. If troubleshooting an electric heater, make sure the heater is receiving electricity. Then reset the thermostat by pressing down the red reset button on top of the thermostat. Step 2. Flush the water heater system into a bucket to clear any deposits from the bottom of the tank by turning the drain handle in a counterclockwise direction. Step 3. Wrap the hot water pipes with fiberglass strip insulation. The insulation should be wrapped around the pipes loosely and secured with waterproof tape. Step 4. Raise the temperature setting of the thermostat. The thermostat dial is located on the front of the water heater. Leaking pressure relief valve. Step 1. Lower the temperature setting of the thermostat. The thermostat dial is located on the front of the water heater. Step 2. Remove the pressure relief valve. The pressure relief valve is located on the side and at the top of the tank. The valve faces downwards and drains into a pipe. Use a wrench to unscrew the pipe connected to the valve. Then grasp the valve with the wrench and turn the valve in a counterclockwise direction. Step 3. Ensure that the replacement pressure relief valve matches the working pressure that the tank is rated at. Wrap the threads of the new valve with plumber's tape, then screw the valve into the tank in a clockwise direction. Wrap the end of the pipe that connects to the valve with plumber's tape. Then screw the end of the pipe into the valve. How to clean a hot water heater with vinegar. Step 1. Turn off the water heater and disconnect from the power supply. Close the water valves for both the hot and cold water to the water heater. Step 2. Close the hot water purge port, turning it until it is perpendicular to the port valve. Remove the purge port valve cap. Step 3. Open the drain caps on both purge port valves, checking to make sure the rubber washer sealing remains in the cap. Rotate the T-handles on the port outlet pipes until parallel to the purge port body. Step 4. Drain the water completely from the water tank. Close the drain valves. Attach a hose from the hot outlet port of the water heater to a large bucket. And attach a hose from the inlet of the pump to another bucket. Attach one last hose from the pump to the cold water inlet service port. Step 5. Pour 2 gallons of white vinegar into the bucket that is attached to the pump. Open the service port valves and turn on the pump. This will send the vinegar into the water heater through the cold water service port and then back out the hot water outlet port, draining into the second bucket. Step 6. Repeat is necessary until the vinegar runs clean into the second bucket. When the vinegar runs clean, empty out the buckets and rinse the first bucket with water until no vinegar odor is detected. Fill the bucket with 2 gallons of clean water and repeat step 4 to flush the vinegar from the system. Step 7. Repeat until 5 buckets of clean water have been run through the water heater. Remove the hoses. Close the outlet ports and turn on the water valves. Restore power to the water heater.